to get your how to do some back bending advanced stretches. Now before I start the video, remember to subscribe, smash the like button right now, turn on the notification bell, and now let's get started. Thank you so much for subscribing everyone to get me to 92 subscribers. Okay guys, now let's get started. So the first stretch I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. Then I'm going to go down again. And now before we do anything, we should stretch. So we're going to stretch out and do some simple stretches. Now, the next step we're going to do, we're going to kick. Now, after doing those stretches, we're going to go to the wall. We're going to put one leg up like this, and the other one just like that. Now we're going to bend this and try to touch this. Now, when you're done, we're going to go into... Now, when you're done with that trick, we're going to go into a back bend twist.
And subscribe to the channel.
Help me to get to 100 subscribers. Okay guys, now I'm going to do...
And hit the like button.
I'm going to go down. And now...
Who's a good ladder?
Now, after you're done with that stretches, you're gonna lay down just like this. You're gonna take both of these legs. You're gonna get up just like that. And now do this trick. Now, when you are done with that trick, we're gonna go into a middle split. Now, I'm gonna try to stretch out just like that. Now we're gonna do this trick. Just like that. Bend it. Now when you are done with that trick, you're gonna go into a split, because split is also how to get your back flexible. We're gonna go down. Now, when you are done with that trick, you're gonna do it on the other leg. Now, when you are done, you're gonna go into a straddle. Now, you're gonna bend down. Now when you are done, you're gonna go ignore my phone. Now we're gonna try to do some cat cow. This is called the cow pose. Now when you're done, after that, you're gonna go. Now you're gonna go. Guys, please ignore my friends and my stupid brother Jamal. So guys, so now we were on this side. So we were doing some stretches like the cow. Ignore him, he's very weird.
I cannot do it and do crazy good.
So now we're gonna try to bend ourselves. We're gonna go down. Now I'm just gonna do these.
One second.
Okay, guys. So now we're gonna try. So, guys, ignore him.
And ignore you too, Ethan.
Okay, guys. So
Now
now,
we do good, Ethan.
so now we're gonna do a split.
If we'll be 100 subscribers, then we'll have blue button on the screen.
Okay, guys. So when you are done with all these stretches, you're going to. So we're gonna do some back bends. So guys, that's the end of my video. Remember to subscribe, smash the like button right now, turn the notification bell, and I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.